Okay, hold on. I just found something wild this week, and I literally could not wait to talk about it.
Welcome to Locally Hosted. We're diving deep into AI, ML, and the tools that actually keep the lights on.
So, Addy Osmani's agent skills repo? It's got nearly 48K stars. Why is everyone obsessed with this?
Because it solves the biggest headache in AI coding inconsistency. Senior engineers have tacit knowledge that AI usually misses.
Tacit knowledge? You mean the stuff they just know but never write down? Like gut feelings?
Exactly, like knowing to spec before code or treating tests as proof. This repo packages those workflows into explicit skills.
Wait, so it's not just code snippets? It's actual engineering discipline encoded for agents?
Precisely. It gives AI agents the quality gates and best practices that usually come from years of painful experience.
Wait, so if I use this, my AI stops writing garbage code? Or does it just write better garbage?
It stops writing unverified code. It forces a specific life cycle: define, plan, build, test, review, simplify, ship.
7 commands, that's it? Just 7 slashes to govern the whole process? Seems too simple to work.
7 commands that map to the development life cycle. Each activates the right skills automatically, like a conductor.
Let's break those down. Start with the spec. What's the principle there? Is it just writing a doc?
Spec before code. It stops the agent from jumping to implementation without a clear definition. No more guessing games.
Okay, then plan. Small, atomic tasks? That sounds like standard agile stuff. Why is it special for AI?
Right, but for AI, it's critical. It prevents context window overflow and keeps the logic traceable, like breadcrumbs.
Then build. One slice at a time. Incremental development. Got it. So no giant monolithic blobs?
Yes. Build incrementally. It mirrors how humans actually construct complex systems safely, one brick at a time.
What about test? Is that just running unit tests? Or is it something more intense?
No, its tests are proof. It forces the agent to prove functionality before moving on, like a gatekeeper.
Proof. I like that word. It implies certainty. Then comes review? Is that just a linting check?
Review before merge. It's about improving code health, not just making it work. It's the difference between runs and scales.
And code simplify? Clarity over cleverness. That's a senior engineer mantra. Does it actually do that?
Spot on. AI loves cleverness. This skill forces it to choose simplicity and readability instead. No magic tricks.
Finally, ship. Faster is safer? That seems counterintuitive. Shouldn't we take our time?
It means shipping small changes frequently reduces risk, rather than big, scary releases that break everything.
But here's the wild part. These skills also activate automatically based on context? Like magic?
Yes, designing an API triggers API and interface design. Building UI triggers front-end at UI-engineering. It knows what you're doing.
So the agent knows what to do and how to do it, without me prompting every single step?
Exactly. It reduces cognitive load. You focus on the problem, not the process. It's like having a co-pilot who reads your mind.
How do I actually install this? Is it complicated? Do I need to be a wizard to get it working?
It depends on your IDE. For Claude Code, it's a marketplace install. Very straightforward. Just click and go.
Just plug in Marketplace, add Addy Osmani agent-skills? That's it? No configuration hell?
Yes. Or clone it locally. It also works with Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, and OpenCode. It's everywhere.
So it's not locked into one ecosystem. It's universal? Like a lingua franca for AI agents?
It's portable engineering standards. Any agent that supports skills can use it. It's the common language of quality.
What about GitHub Copilot? Does it support this? Or is it strictly for the open source crowd?
Yes, you can use agent-driven skill execution via agents.md and the skill tool. It bridges the gap nicely.
SSH errors are a pain though, right? Especially on GitHub. I hate wrestling with keys.
They are. If you don't have SSH keys, use the full HTTPS URL to force cloning. It's a quick workaround.
Okay, so this repo is basically a cheat code for consistent engineering? Am I dreaming?
It's a standardization layer. It ensures every agent follows the same high-quality workflow. No more Wild West.
Does it handle edge cases? Or just the happy path? Because the happy path is easy.
The skills include quality gates that force consideration of edge cases during the spec and test phases. It's proactive.
So it's proactive, not reactive? It prevents bugs before they happen? Like a time machine.
Yes. By enforcing structure, it catches issues early. Like a safety net that actually catches you.
I'm curious about the API and interface design skills specifically. What does it do? Is it strict?
It ensures APIs are designed with consistency, documentation, and versioning in mind from the start. No more spaghetti.
And front-end-UI-engineering? Does it care about accessibility? Or just pretty pixels?
It focuses on accessibility, responsiveness, and component reusability. Standard UI best practices. It's thorough.
This feels like bringing order to chaos. AI can be so messy. This is like putting a suit on a gorilla.
It can. This repo provides the discipline that turns mess into structure. It's the difference between chaos and craft.
Is there a learning curve for the developers using this? Do I need to go back to school?
Minimal. You just use the slash commands. The skills handle the complexity behind the scenes. It's seamless.
So I type ship and it handles the rest? Like a magic wand? I want that magic.
It initiates the shipping process according to the defined skills. You stay in control. It's a tool, not a crutch.
This is huge. It democratizes senior-level engineering practices. Everyone gets the good stuff.
Exactly. It gives every developer access to the best practices of the industry's top engineers, leveling the playing field.
Have you tried it yourself? What was your experience? Don't just tell me it's good, show me.
I have. The Code Simplify skill alone saved me hours of refactoring last week. It's a lifesaver.
Really? It caught things you missed? Like a second pair of eyes? Or just syntax?
It caught patterns I was too tired to see. It's like a fresh pair of eyes looking at your code at 3 a.m.
Okay, so where can people find this repo? Is it hidden in some dark corner of the internet?
It's on GitHub under Addy Osmani-agent-skills. Just search for it. It's right there, waiting to save you.
And the stars speak for themselves. Nearly 48K. That's massive adoption. The crowd knows best.
It shows the community is hungry for reliable, structured AI coding tools. We're tired of the noise.
So what's the one thing you want listeners to take away from this? The golden nugget.
That consistency is key. Use skills to enforce your best practices automatically. Stop relying on memory.
Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives. We're just getting started with this stuff.
Original source is linked in the description. Go check it out. Don't just listen, do.
All right, that's all we got this week. If this blew your mind, come back next time. We're just scratching the surface.
We'll probably break it again. See you then. And remember,
Code smart, not hard.